Hi everyone, hope you guys are doing well. So today we are going to discuss about our topic like who, when, where and how you can file a labor complaint as per More resolution. Because I have seen in my previous video there are a lot of comments related to the labor complaint. So now let's see who can file the labor complaint. Both employee and employer can file the labor complaint, and the legal beneficiary remains the part-time employees and the short-term project employees. So let's see when to file the complaint. Within 30 days from the date, like a breach of obligation by the other party, like if within 30 days you have to apply the complaint. Like if something happened related to your employment contract, like they gave you some job description but you worked for some other job description, or anything they have mentioned, they didn't provide you annual leave, anything related to employment contract, labor laws or regulations as per More. So you can file a labor complaint, both employee and employer. So where we can file the labor complaint? So there are a lot of platform where we can file a labor complaint. Like we can directly call More. There is a number which mentioned here, and we can download More app from the App Store or Apple Store, or we can check official website. Just go through the More website, and in there is a labor complaint section. There is a labor complaint section. Just go to the labor complaint section and put the details as per the requirement and post it. Or else you can ask More, or else you can go to Tehsil directly and put the labor complaint. How labor complaint work? More must resolve the complaint within 14 days. There are two ways. One is below 50,000, one is more than 50,000. Those who are below 50,000, More will finalize the final decision. Like you will receive the final decision from More. If the amount is more than 50,000, let an example, your final settlement amount or your salary amount, whatever it is, if it is more than 50,000, so it will go to Dubai court. Okay, after the final decision from More, you will directly go to the Dubai court. You can register your case again, then you can do the process as per them. So let's see some example cases where, like, when you can file the labor complaint. Like if you have not received your 2 month salary, minimum 2 months of salary, if you have not received, you can file a labor complaint. This is only for employee case. I didn't mention employer related cases, so this is only for employee. Then unlawful termination, like they didn't provide you any like a notice period, or they didn't provide you the notice period amount. Let an example, they did immediate effect but they didn't pay the amount. In that case also, or without any valid reason also, that will be unlawful termination. Or contract of base, last time also I have mentioned, if they have given one job description but mentioned to work with something else, in that case also you can put a labor complaint. And then if workplace harassment or abuse, non-payment of end of service as well. Let an example, if they are not paying the end of service, like your final settlement amount within 14 days, then you can go to More, you can file your complaint. Or you didn't receive your overtime also, in that case also employee can file the labor complaint. Then if your employer didn't provide you the annual leave, then they delayed in visa cancellation, or they keep your passport, because now it's illegal to hold the passport of employee, right? Then if it is unsafe working condition, in that case also you can file a complaint. And expire of the work permit, like your work permit has been expired, they didn't renew within 30 days, in that case it's illegal, right? Before that, before putting any complaint, you have to check two things. One is your any agreement or employment contract or employee handbook. Did you sign any clause? You have to check all the clause carefully, because some clause they didn't they just terminate you and mentioned you have to serve 60 days notice. Okay, but you will say as per UAE labor law it's supposed to 30 days minimum, it's not 60 days, right? But in that case, what you are going to do, you have to check your clause. Did you sign any contract or agreement? Also, we can take, like, some people are, if you are leaving the company within 1 year, then you are going to pay full visa cost or the recruitment cost. These things you have to check. If you have any doubt, you can mention in the comment. I'll respond to that comment as soon as possible. Thank you so much.